Hello and welcome to DIY Bazi. Today I'm going to show you the components of the personal desktop computer, and this one here is the case. This case houses and protects the computer internal components and provides physical structure to organize these parts, ensuring proper airflow and preventing damage from external elements, and facilitating convenient access for upgrades and maintenance. This computer case has 4 fans. There's 3 over here and 1 up here. Another component of the desktop personal computer is the motherboard. This motherboard is where you put the graphics card, the memory cards, the central processing unit. And the motherboard also has the serial port here for keyboard, mouse, and then USB ports here. It has a BGA. It has DVI, HDMI, another USB ports here. And this here is antenna Wi-Fi, another more USB ports here, the Ethernet port, and also has the green one is for the headphone, pink for microphone, and the blue one is for a line-in device. The motherboard is the center circuit of the board in the computer that connects all other components together. It provides the physical and electrical connections, like I mentioned, the CPU, the random access memory, storage devices, graphics card, and other peripherals, allowing them to communicate and function as a unified system. Another component of the personal desktop computer is the central processing unit, or the CPU. This is essentially the brain of the computer, and it's responsible by executing instructions, performing calculations, and coordinating the activities of other components. In essence, it takes input, processes it, provides output, enabling the computer to perform various tasks. And this type of CPU has 6 core processors. And this other PC component is the storage. This is, believe it or not, this is 2 terabyte, and it's just a small card. Back years ago, 2 terabyte storage is a huge storage device, but now this one is very small. This is a 2 terabyte storage device, a solid state drive, and it uses flash memory to store data and offers faster read and write speed compared to those traditional hard disk drives. It provides substantial amount of storage, 2000 gigabytes for 2 terabyte for a computer, suitable for storing large files, applications, and operating system. This other component for the personal computer is the 32 gigabyte random access memory kit. It is typically used for demanding tasks like high resolution video editing, professional level 3D rendering, and running multiple virtual machines simultaneously. It's also a good choice for serious gamers, especially those playing the latest title games, or those who multitask heavily while gaming, streaming, and running multiple applications. This other component is what they call the CPU water cooler. What it does is it cools down the central processing unit. They also call this liquid cooling. So this is used to remove heat from the central processing unit of the computer, helping to maintain optical performance and prevent overheating. It works by circulating the coolant through the system of tubes and radiator effectively, transferring heat away from the CPU and dissipating it into surrounding air. The case has 4 fans already, and to make it even cool better, this is provided, and it will be placed on top of the central processing unit. So this is also plays a very important role on building a PC. Here's the other major component of the personal computer. This is what I call the graphics card. It has 3 fans on it because it needs to cool down while it's being used on gaming because it heats up so fast that this one needs to maintain the ideal temperature so that it works properly. This graphic card is designed for high performance gaming, particularly on 4K resolution. This card is also intended to provide smooth frames and immersive gaming experiences. The other major component of a personal computer is the power supply. It's the computer's power supply converts the alternating current from the wall outlet into direct current that computer components need to function. It also regulates voltage and provides different voltage levels for various parts of the computer, such as the motherboard, the central processing unit, and the storage drives. Also, to place this liquid cooling fan between the central processing unit, we needed this. This is what they call the thermal paste. It's used to improve heat transfer between the two components. This is crucial for preventing overheating and ensuring optimal performance of the central processing. And that is pretty much the major components of a personal computer when building one.